Your mother so fat when she got hit by a car she turned around and said stop pushing.
Your mother so skinny she looked through the peephole with both eyes.
Ha ha ha, not funny bitch.
Ha ha ha, your turn.
Your mother so dirty she took a shower and the water turned in mud.
Not funny. Your mother so fat she when she jumped in the pool all the water came out.
Your mother so fat she used a bed as her pillow.
Your mother so skinny when she walked down the street she fall between the cracks.
Fuck you bitch.
Ha ha, don't get mad, get glad, ha ha ha, you tight.
Your mother so fat the ocean is her bathtub.
Shut the fuck up.
Ha ha ha, now you tight.
Am not tight.
Your pussy better be tight.
You nasty piece of shit.
Ha ha ha, yeah you know me.
Not funny.
Is so.
Is not.
Is so.
Lick my clit.
When?
Fuck you.
When?
Never.
Ha ha ha, yeah if you say so.
I mean it.
Your mother looks like my left ball.
Screw you.
When?
Ha ha, not funny, you fag bag.
I am not gay bitch.
But your father is.
My father is dead bitch.
Who gives a fuck?
I will slap dog shit out of you.
Do it.
Sheesh.
Your mother skinny like a toothpick, and so is you dick.
Wow, you got issues.
I guess.
I'm off this.
Bye.
Sheesh.